Hey guys, what's up? In a short step-by-step tutorial, we're going to break down for you how you can create a new workspace or a Slack account, for example, to start new projects or to start a new team and to invite team members to that new workspace really quickly. So let us get started right away. In the first step, head over to Slack, for example, access its web application. Make sure that you're logged in with your account, of course. And here on your home screen, guys, simply click on your current workspace icon in the top left corner here. And from that menu below, select Add a Workspace. And from that window here, choose whether you'd like to join an already existing workspace or sign into another workspace of yours or to create a new workspace. So let us go with that option here. That is going to redirect you to this window here. So you can create a completely new Slack workspace through your account. You may change your account here, for example. So decide whether you'd like, for example, to receive email tips, news, and offers for the given workspace by clicking on Sure or No Thanks. So let me go with Sure, just like that. And after that, click on Create a Workspace here or join an already existing workspace below. So let me click on Create a Workspace there. And after that, you'll be redirected to the setup of the given workspace. So wait for a brief moment. And after that, you will be asked, for example, to provide a name. So let me name, for example, the given workspace, workspace number 2. Click on next here. You will have up to 50 characters left for the name of the workspace. Also, guys, you may, for instance, add your name here. Choose your profile photo below. However, that's optional. You may edit it, for example, click on next here. And after that, simply enter the email addresses of any coworkers you would like to invite here. You may also use these addresses through Google Contacts, for instance, by clicking on that button here. Alternatively, guys, you may invite team members or coworkers to your workspace through a shareable link by clicking on this button here and by sharing that link, for example, via direct messaging services or emails or social media posts with your contacts, or you may skip this step as well. So let me skip it for the sake of this tutorial. And remember, guys, you can invite new team members to your Slack workspace anytime later. So let me skip this. You may also skip this part here, for example, if you don't want to upgrade to Slack Pro now. So let me continue with this version for the sake of this tutorial. And after a moment, the given Slack workspace will be created. You may go through a short tutorial here to familiarize yourself with the basic features. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. Let me close that window here. And that's your new workspace. You will see all the associated default channels listed here to the left, the direct messaging section here with your contacts and team members, the Slack bot and any other apps you have installed and integrated to your Slack workspace, and so on and so forth, guys. So you may switch to your previous workspace by, for example, clicking on your workspace icon in the top left corner and by switching to your previous workspace here. And that's it, guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.